Friday night, and here's our tent with the sun starting to set. Tonight is Fajita Night, and here's the different items that we're going to use: the green peppers, red peppers, onions, fajita meat. I've got the fire going down here. I've got my Mountain Man grill. I've got it seasoned. I'm just testing the heat right now with a couple of pieces of onion, and I think it's just about at the temperature that I want. And I'm going to put the fajita meat, but to show you the embers and fire underneath, what it looks like. Oh, it's going to be wonderful. So this is InTents Glamping, and this is how we eat when we're out this form of glamping. The fajitas are cooking now. We've got the meat on the grill, and we've got the onions and the green peppers and red peppers, and as you can see, the embers and a little bit of flame underneath here. They're cooking. You can hear that beautiful sound. Perfect night. About 60 degrees. Great sunset. Alright, so I've turned the fajita meat, and I've turned the vegetables a couple times, and everything's starting to look wonderful. Everything's sizzling. Got beautiful embers on the fire, a little bit of flame, and letting everything cook through. The vegetables are sautéing nicely. A little bit I'll put on the tortillas in tin foil. We'll start putting together the Southwest salad. So right now everything is looking and smelling and sizzling just the right way. Cooked thoroughly through. Chicken, don't want any pink, so now I'm going to put it into strips. Wow. Good at that. That follows me. Trying to get out of the way. Smoke in my eyes, so I couldn't see the grain of the chicken, so I'm not cutting it the way I'd like to, but you know what, right now it's just to get it cooked up. I'm going to cook it a little more. Fire is raging hot. It's going to be some good fajita meat. Let the tortillas right there get warm. There's the sauteed vegetables. Usually in a Mexican restaurant, you hear the sizzling when they're bringing the meal to you. Here you can hear the sizzling as I'm cooking it, and getting the chicken cooked thoroughly. And this is the final fajitas that prepared, that came off the Mountain Man grill that we did down there on the fire pit, and everything looks good, smells great. Got the warm tortillas inside the aluminum foil, and gonna add a salad to this and some sour cream and guacamole, and it's gonna be amazing.